Nothing. I was just filming you. Do you have enough floaties there? Do you have enough floaties? Yeah? Yeah? You do? What a good swimmer. You're good. Yeah, you're fast. We're still filling the pool. It's an infinity pool, so the water will be up to the edge. And then this is a shallow area for Veda. She loves it. It's actually really nice because it's really warm. She also likes deep pool though. She's been in the pool all day. We've been filling it all day. Do you like swimming? I do. What are you doing?
I'm going to surf again.
You're surfing? I can't see what I'm filming. I can't see what I'm filming because the light is so bright. The light on my phone. All I see is myself. Say hello to... What? Yeah, it's awesome.